she wants.
Yeah,
Extra payload.
This is not a double seat. Oh man. Oh man, good thing I only weigh 115 pounds.
115 pounds. Take these off. The less pressure on my head, the better. I wouldn't want to do this with anyone else, man.
All my weight is back on you. You're gonna throw up. Oh my gosh. I just feel like we're gonna make this thing tip over.
I got the arm out.
Surely there are operators who weigh over 400 pounds, right?
Yeah.
Because that's what.
Surely, all you safety Sams are sending me an email right now.
Yeah, well, the door's open. We can just fall right out.
Don't worry, the seatbelt's on. One of us.
I was like, wait, this thing has a seatbelt?
Let's see what the fire's doing. Listen to that.
Smoldering, like my love for you.
That's exactly how I describe it.
Oh gosh. Wonderful. Ready for that.
Wait, let me stack that up.
Oh my gosh, we're doing projects. I guess I have the camera in.
Oh yeah!
It's like getting a free Heimlich maneuver.
Heimlich maneuver. Woohoo! I'll let those cylinders cool down a little bit.
Yeah, I was gonna say I smell
Let me let
something burning.
the wind slow
Oh my
down.
gosh, I just. How romantic. Sitting by a fire.
And an excavator. I can't breathe. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
Are you getting suffocated by my love?
I am. I just hope we make it up this hill.
Oh, you mean
Honestly,
that hill?
the more weight, the better.
Really?
Yeah. Better ground pressure. Just believe it. Just believe it. Believe in ourselves.
Like, what could happen? Like, could we turn over?
Oh, we could. You could go flying through the sunroof.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, we're gonna teeter here. It's gonna be a little.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You're gonna have to get on the other leg. There, right there. Atta girl. Atta girl. Atta girl. John Deere, we understand braking's probably some safety code here, but a little more room wouldn't be the worst idea. If you wanted to.
Are you sure you don't want me to get out?
I do not want you to get out. Whoa. Come on, big girl, let her eat. Let her eat.
You remember years ago when
Hey, I can't. I'm blinded, so tell me if we're going.
Oh, okay.
You can't see with the sunshine.
Oh my gosh, you can't see. We're tilted backwards. Oh my gosh. There's a fire behind us. And then a bull behind that.
Can you see my face? I'll make it.
Oh my gosh. Are you just here?
Oh, so much better.
Oh.
Just jab me in my eye. Oh. Come on, hit that button for the.
Hit what button?
The top one on the right over there, little toggle. Oh, I hate listening to that. Come on, big girl. Come on, big girl. You got it. Here you go. This is nice. I look good in these. Oh.
Dollar General. Oh my gosh, I don't like being sideways.
We're getting there. Oh, nuts.
Tearing up all this little grass.
What grass?
The little tinies.
Oh, we're aerating.
Oh, is that what we're doing?
Yeah. Holy smoky Joe, I can't believe we made it. Not bad for a chicken fryer.
And I could have walked up that hill.
Yeah, but then you wouldn't
We would have
have
missed this
snuggles with
experience.
me.